So there's lower imported inflation, AS shifts downwards, okay? Then any assumptions? I use a different color. What do you mean? Because you explained diagram, right? I think that one you can do it. What about assumptions? You see? Holds, right? It should lead you to the next part. Examples. Can you explain it? Yeah, so I think Singapore exports products like electronics. I think Patricia, this is quite similar to the point you mentioned. Okay, but so does Taiwan, so does US, Korea. All right, don't need too many examples. So because of substitutes, PDX exceeds 1. Okay. Therefore, MLC is likely to hold. So you have just brought this point through the content rigor. Okay. Then the last point or the last step is to add in your seasoning, context. Okay. So when you look at the seasoning or when you look at the context, there are a few things we can highlight. Okay. Likewise, Singapore, yeah, export driven, same drill, right? Singapore is also import reliant. This is where 2 points start to fight with each other. If Singapore is import reliant, stronger Sing dollar should mean that imported raw materials cost less. Therefore, you have lower cost of production. Make sense? Lower cost of production also means exports are cheaper. Yet, okay, so this is the context when you appreciate the Sing dollar. Okay, first, because we are import reliant, your imported raw materials will cost less. Your exports can actually become cheaper because of lower cost of production. But the other thing that happens is exports become costlier to foreigners because Sing dollar is more expensive to purchase. Again, you have to weigh the 2 points. Which point carries more weight? Yeah, it should be a case where the first point carries more weight compared to the second point. Because if the currency is stronger, this has a 100% effect. If the currency is stronger by 10%, then your exports will be costlier to foreigners by the full 10%. Correct? But over here, the cost of production will fall, but it's on a percentage, which depends on the proportion of imports used to produce the good. Which means my cost of production, yes, now imports cost 10% less. But if I only use imports to make up 50% of this good, then my cost of production doesn't fall by 10%, it falls by 5%. That's math, right? But I'll show you how to explain this. So here you can say the fall in cost of production due to cheaper raw materials imported from other countries. Fall in COP due to the cheaper raw materials. Keyword partly offsets. Partly offsets means it doesn't offset altogether, right? Alright, so it partly offsets the loss in export price competitiveness due to a stronger currency. There are rehearsed ways to write, and these are two of the very common parts where you have to weigh the factors. So take this down, use them to form your notes, and it's especially important that you start doing essay plans